Hi, I'm here from Vanity Roofing. I'm going to show you how to put a harness on properly. So step one is going to be obviously pick up your harness. There's a variety of different harnesses out there. Obviously this one is a little bit stronger, a better, higher quality. We try to keep our teams in good gear. These have great back supports. That way when you're carrying heavy bundles, you don't have to worry so much about hurting yourself and constant strain. Goes on kind of like a backpack. As you can see, everything kind of just fits into place. You want to make sure that everything is nice and snug. Step one, put the harness on. Step two is you're going to take your straps and you got to make sure that everything is secured tightly around your body. If you don't put your harness on properly, there's a good chance that if you have a fall, it's not going to do its job and it's going to do more damage than good. The style of straps that we have today are of a belt style. This is a little bit quicker of an application. Some of them have adjustable straps. These go on, once again, as tight as they can be without being uncomfortable. You don't want to have a lot of play in there because when you fall, all that play will get into the rope itself. Once you've applied your harness properly, we move on to step three. That's going to be taking your roof rope and anchor system. Some of our guys choose to use a wire system. These are retractable. What happens is when you pull really fast, they lock into place. This is so that if at any moment you slip and you're on the roof, it's going to keep you from falling off. This is what you want. So that about sums up the harness. We try to stay safe here. You try to stay safe out there.